Well, we are the baddest thing in a Trinidad. If you violate we boy, you must be mad. Never kill nobody, pussy, you no bad. Everything flat when we rise.
Well, the baddest in that Trinidad. Hey, that Trinidad, they want pussy, they no bad.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm gonna shut that select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around.
Yeah, you say boy Jambisco, I'm back on a hit and I'm smashing up. Don't see what me I deal with today from the sea. From the tiger guys, what we are deal with today. By popular demand, by popular request. You see me and say, I none other than my loyal subscribers. Yeah, I was asked to react to Jahllano. War them. You feel me? I'm not familiar with this artist, Jahllano. Not the song, but you know, I was asked to react to the song. I'm definitely going to check it out today and see what I want. If it's a hit or a smash, you don't know. So you don't know what to do today, guys. So you don't know what to do over here, guys. If it's a hit, drop the fire emoji. If you miss, drop the garbage can or shit emoji. And if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. You guys are the greatest. I love the support. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. Well, yeah, today we're checking out Jahllano, song entitled War Them. Check it out, see what's going on. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right in the track. It says Jahllano, War Them. Jahllano, War Them. Let's get it.
Yo, easily, once entertained, yeah. Maraval, make some boy them know say we gonna fire. Okay. So if I war them want, we ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Chrome 9 for Papa.
Easy. Bombo clot. I'm taking from talk. I'm ready for that blood clot. The way, I'm ready for that at all, people. The way the beat start off, I expect him to just take off like that. So I have to put it up again. Hold on, let's get it.
Yo, easily. Once entertained, yeah. Maraval, make some boy them know say we gonna fire.
Yo, Maraval, Maraval, make some boy know say we gonna fire.
Okay. So if I war them want, we ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Chrome 9 pop up on your belly. And same place we walk, we left your deaf it unsmelly. If I war them feel far.
Yeah man say if I war them want. What's that? If I war them want, we ready for you.
I got to rise the M16 for easily. Once entertained, yeah. Maraval, make some boy them know say we gonna fire. Okay. So if I war them want, we ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Chrome 9 pop up on your belly. And same place we walk, we left your deaf it unsmelly. If I war them feel.
Yo, if I war them want, ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Anyway, we buck you, we left it if it don't say bomb.
I got to rise the M16 far. Feet your bullet close and real far. Drive by with the key in the car. Yo, Maraval, rise up everything. From a boy, this shot a perish him. Shot fly between your hairy chin.
Bomb clap from a boy, this shot a perish him. Shot fly through him, hairy chin. Fuck you.
No, you're my rock and wear the can everything. Me have a gun named Mats, left your body in all different angles. Big and stink with a black rubber handle. And the clip longer than the hairpan. Rapunzel, we aki in a tangle. So shot, rinse him out like washing machine wall. Cut a chop him like fucking.
Don't them say you cut him like that sheen. Wash him out like washing machine. Don't them say you cut him like that sheen. What you gonna do?
That sheen, boy run out a lock.
What me tell her say? I mean, say man, they cut you like bam. Now for that sheen, man. You want to cut that sheen it? Man cut that shit like a butt. Hey!
On the scheme and me and my Batman friend touch on the scene. And we bad from we born, you know. Violate to get real fucking con, you know. Every gangster in my rival one, you know. The AR-15 no jam, you know. No. So if I
They know say half is the job.
war them want, we ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Chrome 9 pop up on your belly. And same place we walk, we left your deaf it unsmelly. If I war them feel far, I got to rise the M16 far. Feet your bullet close and real far. Drive by with the key in the car. Yeah, well we are the baddest thing in a Trinidad. If I violate we boy you must be mad. Never kill nobody pussy you no bad. Everything flat when we rise.
The ballot in that Trinidad. Hey! That Trinidad, they want pussy, they no bad. After
The zigzag. Well them fi know say man a real criminal.
hold on, people. Let me know what you think about the song in the comment section down below. See me if it's a fire, drop the fire emoji. If it's garbage, drop the garbage or shit emoji. Let me know what y'all think. And definitely let me know where y'all watching from. You see me, some can go and shout out on them thing there. You don't know. You see me? You know, I call from Trinidad, Tobago. If you call from Antigua, Bermuda. You know, when I call from, if you call from, watch them. If you watch from Jamaica, UK, Canada, you see me, I don't say island, I know say all over the world, so don't free for me know some there, tune in and watch and things. You see me? Don't know the thing set, man.
And me roll with the wettest steam from a raval. And anytime we make black rain fall, it a paint up your shirt, man, swear it's carnival.
And yeah, I really like the music coming out of Trinidad. You see me? A long time I listen to it. Way before me I watch YouTube, I listen to music out of Trinidad. I'm glad you now put me on some new artists and things. You see me? I really appreciate it. You see me? It's like, yeah man. You don't know, yo, some really dope music come out of Trinidad. You see me? Some dope music come out of yard. You see me? But you see me? Yo, dancehall music on the whole is lit. You see me? What I'm saying? You see me? And I feel like some of these Jamaican artists need to step up their game. You feel me? Like, yeah, because you don't know the currency difference, and if they're making better music, you gotta step it up, man. Just yo.
Enemy centered the dog make a step. Now everybody a go get wet. Rise the tech and make it dance like sweat. Blood a run down your face like sweat. Yeah. No bother this because we reminisce when we put a boy 6'6". Them a target practice so we no shoot and miss. Bullet ready figure them a kiss. So if I walk
You see them a target practice so we never miss. You see me bullet ready to give them bamboo class.
all them want, we ready like Freddy Figo Shelly. Chrome 9 pop up on your belly. And same place we walk we left your deaf it unsmelly. If I war them feel far, I got to rise the M16 far. Feet your bullet close and real far. Drive by with the key in the car. Yeah, big up the Marvel thugs them, you know. Oh Biggie, Sour, Shorty, Crime, Jalib, Menra, Adil, Kyle, Spot.
Man, true, man. Man, he knows by the ends, that. I don't think I'm just like all the man knows by the ends of the video, there, man.
Tech, Bush, Reda, Aaron, Isaiah, Jack, Hardo, Capitano. Okay.
Guys, real man, really dope chap from Jahllano called War Them. You see me? So definitely go show the artist some love. You see me? Check him out. That's Jahllano Vivo. Check him out, show him some love. Check him out, Jambisco sent you. You don't know the thing set. Really dope chap. You see me? Man, yo. You have mad tune that come out of Trinidad. You have mad tune that come from all over the islands. You see me? I don't know, say, you see me? Yo. The song is bad. You see me? I say, be a bad song of the year. You see me? So, yeah, man, I not lie. I love how music can go and everything. So, definitely show the artists some love and support. And make sure you Jambisco sent to us. So, definitely go and like, comment, share, subscribe. You see me? So, I post notification. This video's only gonna get litter from here. You see me? Only gonna get later from here. I promise you. Really dope things are in the world. Surprises coming. So stay tuned. It's your boy Jambisco. Don't know. Take care of yourself. Stay sanitized. Practice social distances. Stay safe. You don't know we're gonna get through this together. So